How to use Google Maps in Android. Go ahead and open Maps on your device and you will be seeing this screen. To find out your location, just go ahead and tap on it and your location will be shown. To go somewhere or to follow the trail or the road to somewhere, just go ahead and tap on search and you can tap in the location. After you tap in the location, as you click on start, this page will load up where the location from your place to the place where you want to reach will be shown. So the report option will also be shown over here. You can add in a report while you're in the way and you might see some construction work or some traffic. You can easily write the report and you can see the blue indicates for a clear road and yellow indicates for a certain traffic jam and the red reflects there is a lot of traffic. So this is how easy it is to go somewhere using the maps. Rather than that, there are other things like the save or the favorite option where you can add in where you want to go, the places you want to visit, and you can also go to the contribute option. As you can see, I'm already a level 6 guide. What you need to do is add in places, add in reviews, and you can scroll a bit down and check in all of your reviews as well. So as you can see, I have a lot of photos. With this you can inform people about the place and you can check out all of your contributions as well. So guys, this is how easy it is to use Google Photos and Google Maps on your Android device. With the use of Google Map, you can go to the place which you have not visited before quite easily by just checking out the map. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.